So on this problem, we've got radians. We're going from 0 to 2 pi. The first one's going to be tangent of x is equal to 3. We take the inverse, and we find out that x is going to give us an angle of 1.25 radians. So if I go ahead and give a quick sketch, well, keep in mind when we're talking about radians, we've got 3.14 is halfway, and 1.57 is about 90 degrees. So we know we're going to be in the first quadrant here. And it's within the range of our acceptable angles, so that's good. Now to find more angles when we're dealing with tangent, all we've got to do is add another 180 degrees. Wait a minute, add another pi. All right, we're talking about radians, not 180 degrees. So add pi to 1.25. And we're going to find out that that's going to give us that angle right there, which is going to be 4.39 radians. And I know if I add 2 pi again, it's going to go beyond my 2 pi radians, which is 6.28. So that's all I got. Now for the second one, we do the inverse, and we find out that x is going to equal 5.51. Now again, set this up in radians, 3.14. We know that 2 pi is 6.28, so it's got to be somewhere here in the fourth quadrant. And this is what that's going to look like. And now I got to find the other angle, and since it's sine, I'm going to go across the y-axis. And I need to know these reference angles so I can figure out what that angle is. If I take the whole circle, or 2 pi, and subtract the 5.51 radians, well, that'll give me that little piece that's below there where the question mark is. And I'm going to find out that that's going to be an angle of 0.773. So now I can put that where the other question mark is on the other side and add it to 1 pi radians. And that'll give me my second angle. So all I got to do now is take 1 pi and add 0.773. And I'm going to get a total of 3.92 radians. And again, if I add 2 pi, I'm going to go over. So, because 2 pi radians is 6.28. So this is as far as I can go. My two answers are 5.51 radians and 3.92 radians. All right, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.